Hello, young mathematicians. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of time. We'll be reading the clock, learning about hours and minutes, and even doing some fun duration calculations. So, let's turn to page 60 in your math books. Are you ready? First, let's look at the clock. Remember, the clock helps us measure time. It has two main hands, the shorter hand, which tells us the hour, and the longer hand, which tells us the minutes. The hour hand moves slowly, pointing to the numbers 1 through 12. Each number represents an hour. When the hour hand points directly at a number, we say it's that hour. For example, if the hour hand points at the 3, it's 3 o'clock. The minute hand moves much faster. It goes around the clock face in a full circle every hour. The minute hand points to the numbers around the clock, too. But instead of hours, these numbers represent minutes. When the minute hand points at 12, it's the top of the hour, and we say the time is o'clock. Each number on the clock represents increments of 5 minutes. So, when the minute hand is at 1, it's 5 minutes past the hour at 2. It's 10 minutes past at 3, it's 15 minutes past, and so on. Let's practice reading sometimes together. If the hour hand points at the 7 and the minute hand points at the 12. What time is it? That's right, it's 7 o'clock. How about if the hour hand is on the 2, and the minute hand is at the 6? That's 230, or 2:30. Remember, the 6 represents 30 minutes past the hour. Keep practicing, and you'll become clock reading experts in no time. Now, let's talk about calculating durations. Duration means how long something lasts. For example, how long does your favorite TV show last? Let's say a cartoon starts at 300 and ends at 330. How long did the cartoon last? To figure this out, we can count the minutes between the start and end times. The cartoon started at 300 and ended at 330. That's a total of 30 minutes. Another example, you start playing a game at 400 and finish at 415. How long did you play the game? From 400 to 415 is 15 minutes. Great job. Let's try another one. Imagine you start your homework at 500 p.m., and you finish it at 600 p.m. How long did you spend on your homework? To figure this out, count the number of hours. From 500 p.m. to 600 p.m. is 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, you spent 60 minutes, or 1 hour, doing homework. Now, let's make it a bit trickier. You start reading a book at 100 p.m., and you finish at 145 p.m. How long did you read for? From 100 p.m. to 145 p.m. is 45 minutes. Let's recap what we've learned today. We learned how to read the clock, focusing on the hour and minute hands. We also practiced calculating durations, figuring out how long things last. Keep practicing reading the clock and calculating durations, and you'll become time-telling pros. You can find more practice problems on page 60. Keep up the fantastic work, everyone. See you next time.